Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about help menu in Adobe Dreamweaver. First of all, go in Create New and select HTML. Then click on Help menu so you can see many options. First of all, select Dreamweaver Help. It launches Adobe Community Help in your desktop browser with Adobe Dreamweaver CS5 referenced already selected. Spry Framework Help. It does not have any information on how it used to Spry tools, but it does not have any information on how to use the Spry tools built into the Dreamweaver. Instead, it gives programming-oriented web designers who want to jump into code view more in-depth information on Spry coding. Get started with Business Catalyst in context editing. This link takes you to a page on adobe.com that says Adobe is discontinuing the in-context editing services. Takes you to the home page for another Adobe company which specializes in collecting and analyzing information about your web visitor. Cold Fusion Help take you online reference to Adobe's server-side programming language, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus F1. Reference. Its shortcut key is Shift plus F1. Dreamweaver Support Center. Open the Community Help section of Adobe Online Dreamweaver Help and Support site. Dreamweaver Exchange launches your desktop browser and load the home page for Adobe Marketplace and Exchange Adobe.com. Dreamweaver Exchange launches your desktop browser and load the home page for Adobe Marketplace and Exchange Adobe.com. CSS Advisor. This site provides information about common CSS bugs. Adobe Online Forums. Open an index of available online forums on Adobe's website. Product registration. Activate. If you use trial version, if you don't activate your software, the program stops working after 30 days. Deactivate. Deactivating software lets you to install it on another computer. Updates. Launches the Adobe Updater. It finds update for Dreamweaver. Adobe Product Improvement Program. About Dreamweaver. Opens an About Dreamweaver window showing your software version number. Thank you for watching this tutorial.